Hey, what's up? We purchased an IKEA Kivik Loveseat and chaise combo about 4 years ago. The Loveseat has actually held up pretty great. The chaise, not so much, so it's time to give it a little sprucing up. Okay, so as you can see, we got rid of the chaise. I got so tired of the stinking cushion on this thing tearing up and falling off. It's just miserable. So off to the land of Facebook Marketplace it went. How do you get your old love seat in love-worthy shape again? Get on IKEA.com and they will be more than happy to sell you a replacement cover for your IKEA Kivik items. Now let's get into the how-to. First thing, be sure you clean off all the Cheeto crumbs and crap that collects in the couch before you pull this cover off and have that stuff go flying everywhere. Now, you're going to want to flip the love seat onto its back so you can get to its bottom. Okay, settle down. There's going to be cobwebs and all kinds of stuff to clean out of there too. In order to get the fabric off of the arms, you're going to need to unbolt them. There's 7 pieces, 2 for the arms, 4 cushions, and then the main couch part. So it's simple. Old one's off, new one's on, in the same place. Just be prepared to do a lot of stretching. I should also note that my wife washed these covers ahead of time before I put these on. This is okay as long as you don't use an overly hot dry cycle. You'll be safe from shrinkage that way. Okay, love seat has its new clothes on and all you have to do is bolt the arms back on. Cram those cushions into their new homes and boom. Done. Hot damn, that's a nice love seat. Not only did we upgrade our old love seat, we love the Kivik so much that we actually added a new couch to our family. I'll be showing you how I got that put together in a later video and sharing my thoughts about it. I hope this video has been super useful to you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I or one of my helpful followers will get back to you. Thanks for watching.